frontline workers putting up a fight during the ongoing coronavirus pandemic have made significant contributions to the society as a whole. This is especially true about healthcare workers who constantly offer their services even in the face of danger to their own lives. To protect themselves from the deadly coronavirus, healthcare workers wear personal protective clothing for several hours at a time. This apparel or PPE kit is extremely uncomfortable due to being airtight. It causes persistent sweating that does not dry up and increases the risk of skin diseases for its users. Now, a solution has been found for this problem by Pune-based startup What Technovations. The startup, incubated at RIIDL lab of Somaiya Vidya Vihar University, Mumbai, has developed a technology called CovTech ventilation system that can be very easily applied with a slight modification to a normal PPE kit. The ventilation system prevents excessive sweating inside the PPE kits. This innovation, supported by the National Science and Technology Entrepreneurship Development Board (NSTEDB) of the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, can provide considerable relief to healthcare workers when they use the PPE kits. In this compact, economical and user-friendly device to provide a ventilation system for PPE suits, a small fan and a 12-volt battery is mounted on a belt that can be worn around the waist. The normal PPE kit is worn over this. One hole at the back near the waist has to be made in the PPE kit. The fan on the belt is taken out of the hole near the back, with the hole then being sealed with the N95 level filter. In this way, the fan moves as soon as the switch is turned on and fresh air reaches inside the PPE kit. The system automatically throws air every 100 seconds when turned on. This technique will keep healthcare workers not only well ventilated but also prevent possible fungal infections.
Take outside air, it will purify it and then it will pump it inside your PPE suit. So what will happen is that there is a slight positive pressure and a continuous airflow developed inside your PPE suit. All the hot air and the humid air of the body escapes through near the natural spaces available near the neck region. That also helps in reducing the face mist, the misting that happens on the face shields. So that is how this device works in general.
In addition to the grant and aid under the Nidhi program of the Department of Science and Technology, the Research Innovation Incubation Design Laboratory (RIIDL) of Somaiya Vidya Vihar University has also provided financial support to develop this innovative solution. This technology is currently being made available by the startup as and when required. Efforts are also being made for mass production of the CovTech ventilation system.